Okay, so the question is, how does one search for the replacement Pemko gasket for an automatic door bottom? So it really starts with knowing what model of automatic door bottom you have. You need to know that for sure. Here's what I do. Once I know the model, okay, I'll search it in the site. At this time, we don't have a link in the extended description. At some point in the future, we will be adding that so that you can quickly get to it. But what I do in the interim is, once I know the model that I have, and if you don't already know the model that you have, you'll have to email us photographs of it and we'll help you narrow it down. Or what I do is I click on the More from Pemko link, or from anywhere in the site that you see the word manufacturers, it's going to take you to the Pemko manufacturers page within our site. So what I like to do is copy the part number before we go to that link. And I've clicked that link, and here it is. What I do is I click on the full line catalog. That catalog is going to come up. I'll then do a find function on my keyboard for the part number. I'm going to exclude the color and insert part of the part number because Pemko's catalog doesn't have it listed that way. So we've picked up the 4131, and I'm searching the document until I find the 4131, and I have found it. So the 4131 has an NBL, it has an RL, and that might be all of it. Yeah, that's all of it. So the bottom line is, once you find it in their catalog, you're always going to see a reference to replacement insert. If you've got the RL or the sponge type rubber, then you need the E7BL. That's right there. As an example, if you had a nylon brush, it's going to be a P516041 in either the BL or the GR, the black or the gray. The E7 is only available in BL. So what I would do then is, once you know the part number for the replacement insert, go right back to the site, type in E7BL, and then it'll come up. All the different lengths. If you happen to be doing a job, condo building, 40 units, you're going to replace the inserts on 20 of them now and 20 of them in 2 months. You can order yourself the 12-inch length. Okay? 3-foot doors, you got a total of 40. You're going to need 120 feet. So 120 would be what you would order. Ship this as a continuous roll at 120 feet. Something like that. Any questions on this, please feel free to reach back out to us. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up. Please subscribe and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.